Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with 1-inch aggregator, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. Navigate to the official 1-inch website. Once the home page loads, look for the Connect Wallet button. Click on the Connect Wallet button. A selection of supported wallets will appear on your screen. Choose the wallet you want to use from the list. If you're using MetaMask, for example, click on the MetaMask icon. Your wallet extension will open automatically. Follow the prompts to log in to your wallet if prompted. Once logged in, confirm the connection to the 1-inch platform. After your wallet is connected, you'll be redirected back to the 1-inch interface. Now, locate the exchange feature on the main dashboard. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to swap. Choose the tokens you wish to exchange from the drop-down menus. Review the estimated gas fees displayed. Next, click on the Swap button to proceed. A confirmation window will pop up showing the transaction details. Review all details carefully before confirming. Once verified, confirm the transaction in your wallet interface. Wait for the transaction to be processed on the blockchain. Once completed, your new tokens will appear in your wallet. Congratulations, you have successfully registered and made your first swap on 1-inch. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.